In this video, we'll create a rule that replies with your calendar booking link when someone asks for a demo. To begin, click Rules on the left menu, and then click Add New Rule. Let's give it a name, Sales Inquiries. For the condition, let's say the subject contains the word demo. We will also add another condition, the body contains demo. Now, I'll change the logic to OR. This means the rule will trigger if demo appears in either the subject or the body. Next, we choose the action. Here, I'll choose to send a reply. You can choose to draft or do something different. You'll also see some optional settings. You can CC someone, delay the response, or remove Snoooz branding. Let's add a delay of 5 minutes. That's 300 seconds. So the reply doesn't feel automated. Now we choose how the reply is created. You can use a template or AI. I'll choose AI, and here I'll add a short prompt telling Snoooz to suggest my calendar booking link when someone asks for a meeting or a demo. I'll paste my booking link here. Finally, you can also enable labeling. If you turn this on, Snoooz will create and assign the label and even move that email to the correct folder automatically. Now click Add Rule. That's it. The rule is created. Remember, rule order matters. If I want this rule to run before others, I'll need to drag it to the top of the list. Next, let's test this rule.